pandemic situation. They were provided by all the facilities that the best school can provide, from a well-framed infrastructure to desired facilities that a child needs during its growing period, from giving a platform to its pupil both at in-house and inter-school level to boost their confidence, to inculcate the values of participation and learning in life. Grads had always been a host for many of the renowned events, Gambol, Jashn-e-Azadi, Influence, to name a few. Not just an annual event, but to make its pupil learn, participate, and to compete healthily with other children. These programs have always been fruitful in terms of learning, and we are proud to say that this ritual is followed by us during this pandemic, but through virtual means. Today also, to make our pupil learn virtually, have to be confident and not letting any kind of stress rule their personality. Among us, we have a renowned person, Mrs. India Worldwide 2018, Mrs. Kirti Mishra Nadan, who is going to share a few techniques which will help you all in building your confidence. Now, I would like to invite Pragati ma'am, our co-curricular in charge, to give a brief introduction about the resource person. Pragati ma'am, over to you. Pragati, unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We are glad to have Kirti ma'am with us. Ma'am has done her post-graduation in human resources. She was the winner of Mrs. India Worldwide 2018 pageant held in Greece. She has been serving Jet Airways as a cabin manager for 2 decades. She has won Service Excellence Award from airlines industry. She is an advisor board member in fashion and lifestyle promising Indian society. Ma'am has represented India in Greece at 87th Thessaloniki Fest. It was for India. We are glad to have you, ma'am, with us. Over to you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm extremely delighted to be here with all of you. I would like to extend my gratitude to Ms. Basu Roy, the principal, who has invited me. It's indeed a privilege. Thank you so much, ma'am. I really admire you as a person, and I'm so glad that I got the opportunity to connect with your children today. This 1 hour, we would try to make the most of it so that you actually add value in your life in some way. So it would be really nice that you just for 1 hour put all your concentration here, so that we can be it should be useful for us and we can gain something from it. Okay, all of you. And it would be nice if you keep your videos on and concentration on just for 60 minutes or maybe less than that, because I would like you also to interact and ask me your queries, because the whole concept is about confidence. So you need to show your confidence today itself by asking a question. Okay, so without any further delay, we would like to I would begin the session with your permission, ma'am. Okay, allow me to screen share, please. Can you all see my screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So as I mentioned, the today's session audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So as I mentioned, that today's session is all about confidence building, and because confidence is not age biased. It is not a profession based. It is required for everyone at every stage in the life. About me, I don't really need to use this slide because you already know about me in an elaborate way. So thank you for that. Only thing I would say that whatever little experience that I hold in pageant, beauty pageant industry or aviation industry or with as a coach, I feel that confidence is something which is required by each one of us everywhere. And the more confident you are about your own self, you would keep rising and you would be very successful easily. Then it is not a difficult task. It comes very naturally. But the only thing is that you need to feel confident. So today's agenda would be, what is confidence? Why we need it, why so much things being talked about confidence, how to develop it, and effect on the confidence during the COVID-19 times. If we go by just the dictionary meaning, the confidence comes from the Latin word fide, which means to trust, to have a belief in our own self. We need to have faith in our own self. What is most important person in your life? You use yourself, because we know that everything about ourselves. So this confidence comes only by a simple technique. If we start believing, start trusting in our own abilities, if we start believing in our own potential, and very easily we can get the confidence. Why confidence? Why should we have confidence? Everybody says it's the key to success. But what is so good about confidence, that, as I also mentioned, that, all, whether it was aviation or pageant, I could succeed because I personally feel that, yes, I have that confidence. So why do you have that confidence? How can we, culminate confidence into success? Because a confident person do not require any kind of validation. Confident person is self motivated. I don't want validation from others to accept me. Whether you like me, you don't like me, whether you have trust in my abilities or you do not have trust in my abilities, I have full faith in my qualities, in my weaknesses. I know what is all about my own self. And that is why it is very easy to go on the path of success, because confidence creates self motivation. Self motivation creates self esteem. Self esteem creates confidence. So it is a simple track which leads to success. एक छोटा सा बच्चा जो होता है, और जब वो अपने प्ले स्कूल जाता है और स्टोरी सुनाता है, या फिर ट्विंकल ट्विंकल लिटिल स्टार वाली पोएम हम सब ने सुनी है और वो सुनाता है, तो हम कितने खुश होते हैं, पेरेंट्स कितने खुश होते हैं। फिर वही बच्चे को मौका मिलता है स्टेज पे जाके कुछ बोलने का। सो इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द मोमेंट यू स्टेप आउट ऑफ योर वर्ल्ड, the moment you're out of your home into this big world, you need confidence at every phase. और ये चीज चलती है आप लोगों के लेवल में, बिकॉज आई एम श्योर यू वुड बी सीइंग इट, कि अगर आपको डिफरेंट डिबेट्स में जाना है, अगर आपको अपने स्कूल में अच्छा परफॉर्म करना है, अगर आपको स्टैंड आउट करना है, हर चीज के लिए उन्हीं बच्चों को ज्यादा मौका मिलता है जिनको अपने में सेल्फ बिलीफ हो, क्योंकि आपका सेल्फ बिलीफ रिफ्लेक्ट करता है आपके टीचर्स को तक। टीचर्स को पता चलता है कि हाँ, ये बच्चा, इसको अपने पे खुद सेल्फ बिलीफ है और इस बच्चे में से कॉन्फिडेंस रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है। और वही चीज चाहे आप बड़े होगे तो आप इंटरव्यूज के लिए जाओगे, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म्स में जाओगे, और इवन एट एवरी एज, इवन एन ओल्ड पर्सन also needs confidence, confidence to live his life, confidence to talk. तो confidence ऐसी स्किल है जो कि हमें हर फेज में, हर स्टेज में जरूरत है। It enhances other qualities. जैसे ही आप confident है, you would feel that you don't have stage fear. You would also feel that you are able to create a very impactful impression on others. And you also are full of positivity. क्योंकि usually हम negative कब होते हैं? जब हमारे आसपास कुछ गलत हो रहा होता है, या हम सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होते, या हमें लगता है कि हम नहीं कर पा रहे। जब जैसे ही नेगेटिव फीलिंग होने लगती है, जैसे ही सब कुछ नेगेटिव होने लगता है, सो हमारी जो अच्छी क्वालिटीज भी हैं वो भी नेगेटिव में बदल जाती हैं। सो इफ यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट, यू वुड बी inviting other qualities immediately, automatically. And yes, it is required at every phase of life, and it is not profession based. बहुत सारे लोगों का मानना है कि कॉन्फिडेंस केवल हमें पब्लिक डीलिंग के लिए जरूरत है, कॉन्फिडेंस हमें ऐसे जॉब्स के लिए जरूरत है जैसे कि आप एंकरिंग हो, जर्नलिस्ट हो, या फिर आपको पब्लिक स्पीकिंग के लिए स्पेशली आपको कॉन्फिडेंस की जरूरत है, बल्कि ये केवल एक मिथ है। अगर आप डेस्क जॉब करते हो तब भी आपके अंदर अगर कॉन्फिडेंस है तो वो आपको और आगे आपको सक्सेसफुल बनाएगा और आपकी प्रमोशंस इजीली और क्विकली होंगी। सो इट इज नॉट कि अगर आप राइटर बनना चाहते हो तो अगर आप में कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है तो भी चलेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। यू नीड टू हैव कॉन्फिडेंस फॉर एवरी प्रोफेशन, इट इज नॉट प्रोफेशन स्पेसिफिक, इट इज पर्सन स्पेसिफिक। आई होप यू ऑल आर विद मी टिल हियर। Am I going too fast, too slow? Let me know. Somebody can unmute and say that if my pace and everything is fine, or you can write in the chat box. It's accessible to me. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, am I audible? Because somebody has mentioned that voice was cracking. Okay, great. Thank you so much. Good. That keeps me going. Okay, so moral of the story is that confidence is a must. It is not profession specific, it is not age specific, it is not that okay hai to bhi theek hai, nahi hai to bhi theek hai, nahi. Confidence is a must. If you are living, if you are a human being, and if you want to be successful, if you have dreams, if you are going on a career, if you have to choose a career, if you are a student, you need to have confidence. Confidence is a must. Now comes a very million-dollar question, I must say. Are you all confident? Do you all feel that you all are confident, irrespective of the age, whether you are a teacher, student, whoever? Are you all confident? So I would like you to answer a very simple question. If I ask you a question right now, whether it's a general question or a general knowledge question, if I throw a question at you at the moment, how many of you think, answer within yourself, how many of you feel that the moment if you know the answer, you would raise your hand? So I'm going to give you 4 options. Are you one of those? The moment you know the answer and you raise your hand. You don't know the answer, but you still raise your hand. You know the answer, but you will not raise your hand. And the last option is you know the answer, but you want to raise your hand. But you wait and seek support from others. If you look around and you feel, oh, few people have answered, then you raise your hand. Or if few people have raised your hand, then you raise your hand. So think about it. I'll give you a minute for that. Okay, so it would be easier for me if you write, like, let's name it A, B, C, D, or 1, 2, 3, 4, and you write 1, 2, 3, 4, which category you fall. So it would be easy for me. Okay, good. Keep writing. I can see the options now.
You are there now, Raja.
I must say this is a very confident class. Okay, so few of you, I was the host, so I just entered a couple of people. So is there any probability that somebody else can enter the students, because there are few of them who are still entering? They were in the waiting room. Okay, never mind. I did that. Fine. So thank you so much. So now most of you are one. and somebody has written sometimes 3. See, we all have our phases. Sometimes it's not that if I'm confident, if I'm feeling confident today, I will be confident tomorrow also. It's not like that. It also depends on various factors, various things which affects us. So be honest. Be very honest, because here we are learning. We are not judging each other. Okay, we are learning. And I would tell you an example of my own self that, I'm not born confident. I also had my fears. But yes, there are things that we need to develop confidence. Okay, so let's move ahead. Okay, I'm taking time because there are a few people who wants to be admitted in. They're in the waiting room. So just give me 1 second. Okay, so we were here, and actually the thing is there are another 2 people entering the waiting in the waiting room, or it's flashing on my screen. So can we do something about it? Pragati, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm getting this message pop up because I think I'm the host, so probably that's why.
Just a moment. Just a moment. Sudarshan sir, can you help?
Okay, so the issue here is that I think there are a lot of kids who are entering again, or probably they're the same ones. I'm not sure, but then it's distracting me because it's a pop-up on my screen that allow them to enter. So if we can fix that some way. Okay, so now I've got